Windows are an essential part of our lives, aren't they?
Windows? Yes, of course. Everybody uses them every day, don't we? Except for those who use Apple and maybe the open software, Linux.
Wait, what are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
Actual windows like this.
Ah, those windows.
Well, what's with that tone?
No. I just thought we were onto something more exciting, more important, you know.
Well, windows are important.
Huh? Yeah.
They are! Windows are essential in any buildings to let natural light in and shield us away from strong winds and rain.
I know all that, but it's just, we don't normally have to think about it. That's all.
You should. We all should. Like everything else, windows get worn out with time too. If we don't perform checks and maintenance on them, guess what? Like the Windows system on our computers, they will crash. Except when these windows crash, there's a whole lot more consequences than just losing your data. People can get killed if the fallen windows hit them. Flat owners or occupiers may be liable for a fine of up to $10,000 and or a jail term of 1 year.
Wow, that's serious. Then how can we prevent windows from becoming a danger to everybody?
Well, it's pretty simple actually. Here are a few things to look out for when performing window maintenance check every 6 months or so.
For sliding windows, ensure that adequate safety stoppers are in place at the top rail. Check the presence of angle strip to prevent windows from being dislodged. Window panel can slide smoothly on the track without any obstruction. For casement windows, look out for broken or corroded rivets, loose or rusted screws. Use a mirror to check the stainless steel screws or rivets on the top and underside of the window panel.
That's not as difficult as I thought.
It isn't. You can ensure that your windows stay in good shape with these simple maintenance steps.
Clean and remove dirt regularly. Lubricate or grease movable parts at least once every 6 months. Check for cracks or loose paints. Tighten loose screws or replace loose rivets with new ones.
Well, if you need professional help in carrying the tasks you have seen above, you can look for a list of approved window contractors at the HDB info web.
That's really handy. Now I'll know where to turn for help in window maintenance and repairs. I'll get some other things looked at too while I'm at it.
We all must ensure that our windows are regularly maintained or risk facing court action and hefty fines if we neglect to maintain and keep our windows safe.